Hello and welcome. I just want to give a try to these West African names, and they are very, very hard. I've been practicing, but it is not very easy, and many people try to pronounce the name, but it seems to be hard. The names are from West Africa, and it will be hard for you to try too. But let me give it a try. You may not laugh at me, but it was trying to be able to pronounce these African names. They are very hard, but let's just give it a try. There are about 4 names. That might be the first name, the second, the third, and the last name. So let me give it a try, but I will try to make a sound later at the end of the video. So thank you. This is how the name goes. First, see how they look. Let me now try. In the fastest way I can. Here are the names. Uvuvwevwevwevwe Onyetenyevwe Ugwemuhwem Osas. Uvuvwevwevwevwe Onyetenyevwe Ugwemuhwem Osas. Uvuvwevwevwevwe, or let's give it a try for you to learn. Uvuvwevwevwe Onyetenyevwe Ugwemuhwem Osas. Uvuvwevwevwe Onyetenyevwe Ugwemuhwem Osas. Hello and welcome.